All right, today I have a Ford F-150, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the windshield wipers, as well as how to turn on the windshield washer fluid to wash your windshield. All right, that was a lot to say, but stay tuned. I'm going to go over all this so you are in the know of how to turn on and off the windshield wipers and the windshield washer fluid in order to wash your windshield. All right. So before we get started, give me a thumbs up. If you find this video helpful in any way, I'll appreciate it. Now I'm behind the steering wheel and I am going to look to the left-hand side. And you see this lever right here? I'm going to get in closer so you can see this a little bit better. All right. So this lever right here, there is a knob that I can turn in order to turn on the windshield wipers. And I'm going to go through that. And then after that, I'm going to show you how to turn on the windshield washer fluid so you can have a clean, washed windshield. All right, so we're going to start with the first one right here. Now, if you look in closer, you see this A, this is for automatic. All right, now it detects when the windshield has drops on it and it needs to wipe it off. Okay, so you can have this in automatic mode, and then there is slow automatic mode. All right, that's right here. I'm going to switch to that. That's slow automatic mode. Now, important to note, whenever I turn this onto the automatic, it moves, indicating that it is currently on, to give you a little bit of indicator that the automatic is working. So right here, I'm going to turn it off. Now watch what happens, okay? I'm going to turn it one switch, and it turns on. All right, it turns on. It's indicative by just one wipe. And the only way it'll start wiping again is if there are droplets on the windshield that it detects. All right, so that was the first one. Now there is another, if you keep on turning it one more right here, it will go to it does this thing, turns on, but it will come on, once it comes on, it will come on at a faster pace, faster rate than it did at this first teardrop right here. Now, if I go up one more, it is at a faster, it will come on the automatic at a faster rate. And right there, it is at the fastest rate right here for the drop in the automatic setting. Now, if you want a little bit more manual control over that, all you do is come up to where these arrows are right here. These arrows have the windshield wiper on. This isn't manual, so it won't come on automatically. You have total control over the situation right there. All right. Now, if you want it on at a high rate speed, say, for instance, you're in a torrential downfall and you need a little bit more windshield wiping action going on, you'll come over and you'll come to the second double arrow right there. All right. You see that? Second double arrow, and it is really going right there. All right. Now, to turn them off, all right, I'm just going to go ahead and go all the way down like that, and it is turned off. Now, in order for to wash the windshield, you're going to simply come over here. Do you see this button right here, or do you see this symbol right here? This symbol right here. This symbol right here is indicative of the windshield washer. Now, what I do with that, I just simply come over here and I press this, and look at the windshield being washed right there. Fluid is coming out, and it's going to continue to come out until I release the finger off of the button right here. And as you can see, actually, it goes off automatically after a certain period of time. Correction. And the windshield wipers start wiping. I'm going to do that again, okay? I'm going to press this, and the windshield wipers come on, and it is cleaning the windshield just as so. And after a few seconds, it will turn off on its own, even though I am still pressing this. See that? Or I could release it if I wanted to. So let me try that. I'm going to press this, and it's coming out. But now I'm going to release it, and it stops, and it takes a few more wipes to get the excess windshield washer fluid off the windshield, and it turns off. All right, and that is how you operate the windshield wipers and the windshield washer. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.